Welcome to the Journeyman Plumber exam practice test. Our topic today is general regulations. Use the link in the description to download the app on the App Store for free practice tests. Number 1. All plumbing permits are required to be signed by whom? A. The master plumber to whom the permit is issued. B. An authorized code enforcement officer. C. The property owner. D. Both a master plumber and code officer. The correct answer is B. An authorized code enforcement officer. Explanation. All plumbing permits are to be signed by a licensed plumbing inspector. The signature of an inspector is the only signature required on a permit. Number 2. Your boss has asked you to create a schedule for maintenance on a large building. How often should backflow preventers be inspected? A. Monthly. B. Quarterly. C. Biannually. D. Annually. The correct answer is D. Annually. Explanation. Backflow assemblies and air gaps are required by code to be inspected once a year. The devices should be tested. They must be working properly and not allowing contamination to the water source of a water distribution system. They are also required to be inspected when they are installed. If any repairs are done to the devices, a test and inspection of the repaired device must be performed. Number 3. Plumbing inspectors issue stop work orders for which of the following reasons? A. The risk of an immediate danger. B. A code infraction exists. C. The lack of a backflow preventer on a water service. D. Work outside the scope of an issued permit is being done. The correct answer is A. The risk of an immediate danger. Explanation. A stop work order is a very serious matter. Code officers issue and post these orders only when there is an immediate danger or a possible danger pending. Minor code violations will result in a rejection from a code officer, not a stop work order. When a stop work order is issued or posted, it must be observed immediately. Number 4. You have been left to connect a building drain to a sewer and wait for the plumbing inspector to approve the connection. Then you are to bury the pipe. What is the minimum depth of cover required over the crown of a buried pipe? A. 6 inches. B. 12 inches. C. 18 inches. D. 24 inches. The correct answer is B. 12 inches. Explanation. Pipe protection is a major part of the plumbing trade. The code requires a minimum depth of 12 inches of compacted backfill over any buried pipe. This is used as a means of protecting the pipe. All backfill material must be clean and free of debris. Number 5. An auxiliary drain pan for a condensate system must be equipped with which of the following? A. An individual vent. B. An S-trap. C. A water level detection device. D. All of the above. The correct answer is C. A water level detection device. Explanation. All auxiliary drain pans for condensate systems are to be equipped with water level detection devices that conform to U508 LIRA. The device must shut off any equipment served by the drain pan if an overflow of the drainage pan may occur. Consult the manufacturer's recommendations for any additional requirements that may be needed. Number 6. Which of the following types of materials may be used for condensate drainage? A. Copper tubing or piping. B. ABS plastic piping. C. Ductile piping. D. Either A or B. The correct answer is D. Either A or B. Explanation. Materials approved for the construction of a condensate drainage system can include any of the following: galvanized steel, copper, PEX, polyethylene, ABS, PVC, CPVC, and cast iron. Number 7. Which of the following statements concerning pipe, tubing or fittings is not accurate according to code? A. Sizes refer to inside diameter of the pipe. B. The measurement is expressed in inches. C. The measurement is expressed in metric units. D. Measurements are expressed in outside diameter. The correct answer is D. Measurements are expressed in outside diameter. Explanation. All code books refer to pipe, tubing and fittings according to inside diameter with measurements expressed in both English and metric units. Number 8. With respect to plumbing systems, all materials used must have the approval of which of the following? A. A licensed sanitary engineer. B. A master plumber. C. Plumbing authority having jurisdiction. D. Owner of property. The correct answer is C. Plumbing authority having jurisdiction. Explanation. Engineers specify materials that conform to standards, but not all products available have been approved yet. The plumbing authority having jurisdiction may approve the use of such products, and master plumbers must comply with the administrative authority's decisions. Number 9. All pipes used in plumbing applications will have all of the following markings except A. Length of pipe. B. Pressure rating in SI. C. Nominal pipe size. D. Manufacturer's brand name. The correct answer is A. Length of pipe. Explanation. Some pipe manufacturers list measurement in 1-foot increments when rolls of pipe are 100 feet or over, but do not list increments on joints of 21 feet, 20 feet or less. Brand names, SI rating, and nominal pipe size are required. Number 10. Pipe ends should be re-aimed or deburred because, if not, which of the following may result? A. Flow restrictions. B. Chips blocking control valves. C. Pressure drops. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Explanation. Failure to ream or deburr pipe ends can result in all outcomes noted, including flow restrictions, chips blocking control valves, and pressure drops. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.